Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to protect data. So especially these files that you want to send it to your another vendors or another colleague, and you want them to change only a few cell value, but don't change the formulas that you already set up, right? So let's say here, right, we have these PMT functions, right, and we have this interest, right, and we have the housing loan and repayments, right. So these two cell, right, of the interest rate cannot be changed, right. You want to send it to your customers, and you want them to change only the housing loans and the repayment. So of course, you want the customer to see the money repayment. So what you can do is that you select these two cell, right? Select this cell and then hold down the control key and select the repayment period. And then go to the home tab, go to format, and click this lock cell one time. Now before you lock this cell, right, notice that there's a padlock, and that is this border, right. There's a line that's surrounding the padlock. So by default, every cell is locked. So we need to unlock these two cell. Okay, that's complete your step, your phase one, right? Now, next is that after you have identified, you have select all the cell that you want the users to change. Now it's time to go to format, choose protect sheet one more time, and here you put in the password, right? So here you have another few options, right? Select lock cell, select. That means that after you protect the sheets, right? Do you want the users to select the lock cell? Yes, it's yes. If it's yes, you check on it. So I will keep it as a default. And if you want them to filter it, right, you have options to do filtering as well, right? So this by default, as there's no filter can be done, right, after the sheet is protected. So that's why it's not locked, it's not checked. So now I click OK, I key in another password and click OK, and that's it, right? That's you have completed how to protect the data. So now this data can only change the housing loan value, which is this. See, I can change that. So now I know the monthly repayment is this. Now if I change the interest rate to 4.5, this is not allowed because this cell is not unprotected. Sorry, it's not unlocked, right? You can see that here there is there is a border here. And for repayment, it can be changed, right? We can change to 20 years. And that is how you protect data. And I hope you learned something useful today. Thanks for watching.